Sydney, Australia, a fusion of urban splendor and natural beauty. Welcome to Sydney, a city that effortlessly blends vibrant urban life with breathtaking natural landscapes. With its iconic landmarks, diverse culture, and stunning harbor, Sydney offers a captivating experience that leaves visitors enchanted. Nestled on Australia's southeastern coast, Sydney boasts the world-renowned Sydney Opera House, a masterpiece of modern architecture that graces the picturesque Sydney Harbour. This iconic symbol hosts a variety of performing arts events, from opera to contemporary music, attracting culture enthusiasts from around the globe. Just a short stroll from the Opera House, you'll find the Sydney Harbour Bridge, another iconic landmark. Adventurous souls can embark on the bridge climb, a thrilling journey that offers panoramic views of the city's skyline, harbor, and beyond. Sydney's beaches are legendary. Bondi Beach, with its golden sands and perfect waves, is a haven for surfers and beach lovers alike. Nearby, the Bondi to Coogee Coastal Walk presents breathtaking views along a scenic trail, passing by charming beaches, cliffs, and rock pools. For a taste of Sydney's history, explore the Rocks, a historic area that showcases the city's colonial heritage. Cobblestone streets, charming pubs, and vibrant markets give a glimpse into Sydney's past, while offering modern shopping and dining experiences. Venturing into the Royal Botanic Garden, you'll discover a lush oasis in the heart of the city. This serene escape showcases a diverse collection of plants, as well as stunning views of the harbour and the Sydney Opera House. To immerse yourself in Australian wildlife, visit Taronga Zoo. This conservation-focused zoo offers encounters with native animals like kangaroos, koalas, and emus, while also providing breathtaking vistas of the city skyline. Art enthusiasts will find solace in the Art Gallery of New South Wales, featuring an impressive collection of Australian, European, and Asian art. Meanwhile, Darling Harbour's entertainment precinct offers attractions like SEA Life Sydney Aquarium and Wildlife Sydney Zoo, providing interactive experiences for visitors of all ages. Culinary experiences in Sydney are a treat for the senses. From the bustling stalls of Chinatown to high-end waterfront dining, the city's multicultural influence is evident in its diverse gastronomy. Be sure to sample fresh seafood at Sydney Fish Market, one of the world's largest seafood markets. A trip to Sydney isn't complete without exploring the Blue Mountains, a UNESCO World Heritage Site just a short drive from the city. This natural wonderland boasts stunning vistas, lush eucalyptus forests, and the iconic Three Sisters Rock Formation. Sydney's events calendar is brimming with excitement. The Sydney Festival, Vivid Sydney, and New Year's Eve fireworks are highlights that showcase the city's creative spirit and energy. In conclusion, Sydney captures the essence of Australia's urban charm and natural allure. With its iconic landmarks, stunning beaches, rich history, and diverse culture, the city promises an unforgettable experience for travelers seeking a perfect blend of adventure and relaxation. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe my channel Tour with Pour.